Are you responsible for the health of a child, an aging parent, or a spouse? If not, all adults are ultimately responsible for our own health and well-being. If you or your loved one is suffering from pneumonia, sore throat, colds, the flu, arthritis, asthma, or indigestion, this next everyday plant can be used to provide relief. Mustard greens are considered a superfood. They contain vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as iron, niacin, magnesium, protein, phosphorus, potassium, riboflavin, thiamine, and more. In fact, it can be considered somewhat of a multivitamin. Mustard greens can be sauteed, made into a tea, or eaten raw in a salad mix or directly off the plant. Mustard greens can be somewhat spicy and some say bitter, but the bitterness of the plant indicates that it can be used to detox the body. So try using mustard greens to aid in the health of you and your loved ones. I'm your natural mystic medicine man reporting for Natural Medicine News. Peace and guidance.